Alright boys, let's check this one. Liverpool should have never sold Luis Diaz.
Liverpool should have never sold Luis Diaz. You know that saying? It was something like, if it's not broken, don't sell your winger to buff Florian Squirts. Luis Diaz has already scored 5 goals and delivered 4 assists in the Bundesliga alone. Meanwhile, Alexander Isaac, Jeremy Ping Pong, and Lil Uzi Verts are going stinker for stinker. Luis Diaz must have seen Harry Kane win free trophies at Bayern and thought to himself he could do the same. And he was right. He most definitely will, considering Bayern will embarrass Dortmund at home and be clear with a 7-point lead. This is Liverpool fans looking at their club's recent performances. Losing to Palace, Gala, and now Chelsea was definitely not what the Reds were expecting after blowing $565 million. You could have probably ended world hunger with that much money, but instead they decided to purchase Agent 000 to give Man United's Cunha some competition. How nice of Liverpool. But my question is, if Liverpool isn't winning the Prem and Arsenal bottles the title again, who will actually end up winning the Premier League this year? And how come it is Antony with the Bluetooth trophy?
Mamma mia! Mamma mia!
Yeah, good video, man. Good to see. Nice.